super insane, guys. I'm not really trying to pay full price, you know how I am, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this right now.
Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new hack for Mafia City. So let's open it up, and as you can see, we are broke, but press this button and we can add unlimited gold. So I'm going to turn it up right here. So let's see if this starts increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Mafia City hack so you can get unlimited gold as well. So as you can see, this is the amount I have right now. So let's see if it goes up at all, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download the Mafia City hack for free gold. So no change, no way it's working. So as you can see, guys, my gold is going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Mafia City hack for your device. So it's super cool. So let's get into the video. Alright, so to download this, we're just going to go to the browser and just type in tweakmod.com. So on this site, just type in Mafia City. So let me just type it in. And as you can see, there it is. So press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be like a verification. So this is the last step. So you got to download like 2 apps. Follow the instructions. It's completely for free, guys, from official app store. And then the Mafia City hack will be installed. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second. You can see the Apple and Android logo, so it does work on both. So let's just give it a second for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, if you ever played Mafia City, you'll know about the hack and how great it is. So I'm just going to let this load up. So as you can see, guys, it's loading. So last thing we're going to do is download the 2 apps. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So I just press continue. Go to the App Store, play it till I'm level 9. So yeah, you just got to do 2 of them. So this is pretty easy. So yeah, it's like the games are really easy to me because I just got to like play through it. So I'm going to go back to the list, see what else we got in here. So we got like DraftKings Casinos, all these different ones. So there's a video here if you're confused, but that's how to download Mafia City hack for your device so you can get unlimited gold. So yeah, it actually works, guys. As you can see, got the anti-ban and everything, so you know it's crazy, bro. So just make sure you download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and you should be all set. So if you want to be rich on Mafia City, definitely try this out. So I'm going to see you in another video. But subscribe to my channel for more Mafia City content, because you know I'm always trying to get a step ahead to other Mafia City players. So yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Mafia City videos. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So have fun. Try it out for yourself. Get the word out, you know. Let your family know about it. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Have fun. This is super amazing, my gang. Peace out.